This is a press statement by myself, Ambassador Sobomabo Jackrich, the national leader of the Simplicity Movement. I'm distancing myself, the National Rescue Movement, NROM, the defunct Niger Delta Liberation Force, NDLF, and the Tantita Security, my section of the Tantita Security in Rivers State, being a subcontractor from the circulating Niger Delta Rescue Movement video and its threats of hostilities. My attention has been drawn to a recent video circulating online, purportedly released by a group identified as the Niger Delta Rescue Movement, threatening to resume hostilities in response to the 48 hours ultimatum issued to Governor Siminialayi Fubara by the Amaewhule-led Rivers State House of Assembly. I wish to make the following clarifications regarding this video. Number one, no link between my party and the group. I am deeply concerned about the name of the group, as it bears a striking resemblance to my political party. Being the leader of the party, the National Rescue Movement, as the leader of NROM, the Rivers State chapter, I categorically distance my party from any link, affiliation, or connection with the group. NROM remains a law-abiding political party committed to democratic principles and peaceful engagement. 2. Misleading association with Tantita Security. In the said video, I observed that one of the individuals was wearing yellow rain boots, a black polo, and jeans, and attire similar to that which is worn by personnel of the Tantita Security outfit. My own section, like I said, I am a subcontractor to the Tantita Security outfit, and our dress code that is known in the waters, in fact, in River State, is that our color is black long sleeve, maybe a black jean or trousers, and a yellow rain boot. The leadership of the group, the team leads, are putting on red beret, or then the members are putting on black beret. So that is our look. Now, if you look into the video, you will see that some person in that video is putting on that yellow rain boot, which struck my attention. And that is what I'm trying to correct. That we are not into such criminal activities, and so I disassociate myself from them. I don't know the people. Tantita Security is committed to a lawful security operations in line with its mandate. 3. No connection with the defunct Niger Delta Liberation Force. As the leader of the defunct Niger Delta Liberation Force, it is my responsibility to also exonerate the group from this seeming semblance in the name of the said Militia group, because the NDLF currently is under the presidential amnesty program and no longer into its old ways. As I speak to you, we have some cases even before the National Security Advisor. We are following whatever we want our arguments with, without violence and very professionally. A clear attempt to set me up. This development aligns with the alarm I raised yesterday about certain individuals who are hell-bent on framing me and linking me to criminal activities in order to use security agencies to take me and other leaders supporting Governor Fubara out of circulation. Their ultimate aim is to manipulate the forthcoming local government elections without opposition. 5. A repeated pattern of intimidation. This same sinister tactic is or was employed against me on April 8, 2024, when the military invaded my home, destroying my properties and killed 2 of my workers. But by the grace of God, I am alive today, and nothing incriminating was found against me despite their desperate attempts to silence me. Reaffirming my innocence and right to support Governor Fubara, I wish to state clearly once again that neither myself, the National Rescue Movement, Niger Delta Liberation, the defunct Niger Delta Liberation Force, nor the section of Tantita Security that is under my leadership have any connection with criminality or acts of violence. I want to remind you that a week ago, like I said, I was informed by someone very close to this opposition that plans have been made to get me and some other persons out of the way. Reasons is that they see me because I am like one of the key players who is strengthening the governor's leadership. I have created what they call the Simplicity Movement to assist the governor, seeing his qualities, seeing the the leadership prowess, his readiness to transform River State from what it was to what it is becoming today. And they want to take me away by framing me up, alleging, what I don't really know, but the person just advised that I should be careful, that they want to set me up in a way that they can get me, either using the security agencies to invite me over, and that when I attend their invitation, I'll be arrested, or using any means to get me. But I want to sound it clear again that I will plead with the security agencies to make their very thorough investigations so that these things will not distract them. What I'm seeing on that video is misleading. It's misleading, and this is the reason why I have come up to clarify my stand. That video could be, I don't want to talk about it, but the security agency should investigate that video and to know the root of that video, because this video now plays like what the information I got from that person who confided in me to be careful with their plans. That he is close to me, but he does not want problem. I should be careful of the plans they are having against me and some other persons who are close to the governor. As a citizen of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I have the inalienable right to support whoever I want, and thus my support for Governor Siminialayi Fubara should not be criminalized or turned into an offense. I will continue to stand by what is right, and no amount of intimidation will deter me from my conviction. I want to urge all well-meaning Rivers people to remain peaceful and steadfast. Truth and justice will definitely prevail. God bless you.